Guess what? What's the first letter? Wala. Nagplano pa naman ako maghatag 1,000. Of course, ang second letter, alam na niyo ito. Ano? The first letter is letter T. Ini ang iyong gasolina paglakaw. Ikang yan ang agad kuno sa katampo sa lang atong kinabuhi. Letter T. Masalit, Tito Kamili. Tama talaga. Letter T. Turn to God in everything you do. And in every little thing you have accomplished. Doing so, certainly, God will do the rest. Walk your talk your faith, and walk in faith always. Do not be grappled by your own understanding. Lean on God's. Second letter. What's the first letter again? T. I will T. T. Aspirated. Yeah, T. Ano ba naman T? Pagkairo ko man, T-I-T-O. Dili T-I-T-O. Para ako man pamatihan. Dapat may artig gihapon. Diba? Sa phonetic sounds, it's not sounded as but okay. Next, letter I, of course. The next letter is, after turning to God, through happiness and sadness, investigate on every challenge and opportunity you encounter. Sabi ko kanina, do not grab all opportunities, but investigate on every challenge and opportunity you encounter. Define the scope and the limitations of these challenges and opportunities. Never grab things hurriedly. After investigating, initiate actions of your own, is strengthened by the wisdom of the significant others, significantly your professors and your parents. The third letter, letter T again. Be true to yourself. I will repeat, be true to yourself. Accept your weaknesses and recognize your strengths. This simply means that you need to share to others what you have and what you know about, and settle asking others assistance in instances that you lack skills and knowledge of something. And the last letter, of course, is letter O. Be optimistic all the time, because at times, the toughest, the hardest, and the most negative phenomenon and instance in life will give you the best results. Chase away negativity with optimism all the time. Again, what was the first letter? And what does it represent? Turn to God. How about letter I?
Investigate.
After investigating, initiate. Okay, letter I ba? Ayun, initiate actions. The third letter, okay, true. Being true to oneself and true to yourself. And the fourth letter is letter O.
Oh.
These four letters, ladies and gentlemen, will bring you to places, least of your expectations. These four letters will bring you better results in life's endeavors. These four letters will give you all your heart's desire. So therefore, shape your future and be the architects of positive change, the catalysts of progress, and the voices of reason in the world that often needs the most. Never forget the power you hold within you, the power to make the world a better place. Congratulations, graduates! May your journey be filled with success, purpose, and the unwavering pursuit of your dreams, and go forth and conquer. Again, congratulations ng maupay nga gabi sa